So what you just saw was a glimpse of my sneaker collection. Hey guys, I'm the Bedsheet Vani, an MBA, a sneakerhead and a photographer. As this very first video of this channel, I'll start with a little bit about myself, my sneakerhead journey and what all you can expect from this channel. So I've been working as a freelance photographer from last 4 to 5 years, and I've done my MBA in marketing and finance. And being a photographer, I always had this idea of starting YouTube, but there were two major issues. One, I couldn't find my niche, and the other was I was a bit insecure about my voice. But then I thought, why not let's start something related to sneakers. So here I am, and I'll be talking a lot about sneakers, unboxing them, styling them, and even make some videos about how to cop them. Now let's talk about my sneakerhead journey. It basically started in 2014 when I bought my very first pair of branded shoes. They were a pair of Pumas, and I actually saved for them and bought them. Since then I have been collecting and buying whenever it is possible for me, and currently I have around 45 to 50 pairs. It's not that big of a collection, but I am growing slowly and steadily. My very first height pair was Air Jordan 1 Meds Gym Red, and they were actually gifted by my sister. And my very first pair of highs, Jordan highs, were Royal Toes, and I bought them in 2020. Yeah. So coming to the last topic, what all you can expect from this channel. Like I mentioned, I am a sneakerhead, so I keep on buying shoes every now and then. So you can expect a lot of unboxings, some styling videos, and very few how to cop videos. I'll try to make some of like how to cop from Yeezys, Essentials, Drew or Supreme. Other than that, it's gonna be majorly unboxings and stylings. And if you like sneaker content, maybe consider subscribing. I'll see you there.